Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I will be teaching you how to prepare African salad. It is called Abacha. Guys, come with me and I'll show you all the ingredients I will be using today. Right, I'm going to start first by frying my fish. As you can see, my mackerel has been washed, it's clean, and it's time to season it and rub it in. Afterwards, I'm going to set it aside and allow it to marinate for at least an hour before I start frying. It's been 1 hour. My oil has heated up. Now it's time to start frying my fish. In goes my fish. I'm going to allow it to fry on one side, and when it's golden brown, I'm going to turn it to the other side and allow it to fry. Once it's golden brown, my fish is ready. I'm just going to take it out, set it aside, and it's time to start making my African salad. First, I'm going to add my oil into my bowl. In goes my oil. Next, in goes my potash. As you can see, I dissolved my potash. Did that with warm water. Stir. You can see the color is changing now. Next, in goes my Scotch bonnet. Mix. Next, in goes my Ugba, known as oil bean seed, and stir. Afterwards, in goes onion, stir. In goes seasoning cube, salt, stir. Next, in goes blended crayfish and stir. Now this is vital. It's yummy when you add garden egg to your abacha. In goes my garden egg, stir. Afterwards, in goes my abacha, known as cassava flakes, and stir. Look at how beautiful my African salad is looking. Next, in goes Kpomo and stir. This in African salad makes it yummy. Don't judge until you try this yummy, delicious African salad. In goes my African salad into my pot and allow it to heat up a little bit, and it will be ready to serve. Look at how my African salad is looking. It is yummy. It is delicious. Now my African salad is ready to serve. It has been served and it's looking inviting. Guys, what are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Guys, do not forget to share, do not forget to like, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.